Introduction to Laboratory Practice. Part 1. Introduction to Laboratory Apparatus. A key to laboratory safety is wearing the right attire and appropriate personal protective equipment. These are labeled reagent bottle. The bottle typically comes in two colors, clear and amber. Next, we have pipette. There are two types of pipette, graduated pipette and volumetric pipette. And then, these are volumetric flasks. These are beakers. And then, these are measuring cylinders. Next, here are conical flasks. These are arrangement of burette and retort stand. Next, we have tripod and Bunsen burner. These are fire starter and wire gauze. This is weighing scale. The most widely used in laboratory is an analytical balance. Here we have filter funnel, pipette filler, and tongs. The next apparatus are dropper, glass rod, and wash bottle. This is the correct way to handle reagent bottle. Read the label, grab the reagent bottle in both hands. The label should be on your palm. Remove the stopper of the bottle, pour the solution with the desired amount, and close the reagent bottle. To avoid contamination, do not put glass rod inside the reagent bottle and do not pour back leftover solution. Next, handling measuring cylinder. Rinse measuring cylinder using distilled water. Before measuring the solution, pour appropriate amount of solution into a beaker. By using a dropper, transfer the solution from beaker to measuring cylinder. Eye level must be parallel to the meniscus level. Handling Bunsen burner. In our lab, we will use portable Bunsen burner. This is air vent hole. To control the air inlet, slightly adjust the collar. Before lighting up the Bunsen burner, make sure the air hole is partially closed. Turn on the gas valve. By using a fire starter, light up the Bunsen burner. To get the non-luminous flame, open the air hole. Adjust the gas valve to get the desired size of the flame. In this part, we will learn on how to handle analytical balance. This is the off mode. After press the on button, the analytical balance will turn to on mode. Press the tab button. Wait until the reading is 0. Open the glass door, carefully place the beaker on the balance. Shut the door and wait until the balance reading is stabilized. It is a good practice to record the weight of the beaker, but to get an accurate readout of the substance being weighed, you must cancel out the weight of the beaker. Do this by pressing the tab button until the display reads 0.0000 grams. Open the door and carefully add substance being weighed. Then close the door. Wait until the balance stabilizes and show the desired weight. Record the weight.